Bows. Good. What's this word?
Happy.
Happy. What's this word? Shake.
Happy.
And happy. Very good. What's this word?
Nose.
Nose. What's this word?
Head.
Head. Where's your head? Touch your head. Where's your head?
Here.
Thank you. Can you touch your head? Very good. What's this word?
Here.
What word is that? Nap. Eyes. What's this word? Skipping.
Catching.
What? You want this one?
Dash.
Stars.
Ship.
Zipper.
Zip.
Zip, zip, zipper.
Up.
Up. Arms up. Show me arms up. Very good.